When we talk about user experience, it's really everyone's different, but you can make people see what you want to be shown on the website by doing a few certain easy things.
You want the website to be findable, usable, credible. All these words are correlated with user experience because the end result of somebody going to your website to be simple, right? We want them to understand fully what they were getting when they go there. When you make a website under an 8th grade reading level, it's very simple for the user to understand what exactly you want, what you're selling, and how I can use this website.
8th grade was pretty difficult for me, but for everyone else, you guys are good to go. You know, menu bar, having it simple, 8th grade, and then having call to action is a great key thing.
Also, the content on your website is vital. You need to make sure the different pages explain what you do. For instance, if you have a website and you're an HVAC company and you say, all I do is AC. In the name of HVAC, you do multiple things. So explaining to your customers, here's all the services we provide and the content there. On the contact page, giving all the correct information, the name, the address, phone numbers, things like that. A lot of people overlook how simple people want to quickly go somewhere on the website, find their answers, and be gone.
Right. This happened to me. It was around Christmas time and a lot of places said they were open. It was Christmas Eve or whatnot. And some places do stay open till like 5 p.m. or something. But guess what? I tried to go to 3 different places. They all said they were open and they weren't. So it kind of agitated me at the same time. Like, okay, make a note, never go back to these guys. I don't know, it just wasted my time. So why should I go back to that establishment? Update your Google My Business, your Google Business Profile Manager. Go in, make sure it's up to date. It's all about user experience because these people probably had a great meal I could have had, right? But no, I can't because it's closed, but I didn't know that. So now I don't want to go back. That's kind of a big thing, is just making sure your people have a great experience and then also manage your reviews. That's one thing. It's easy. When you're leaving a restaurant or something, it's like, hey, do you guys mind, or do a giveaway? Here's a card. Hey, if you guys want a 50% off your next meal, there you go. Give us a review. And you'll get a ton of reviews. And that's a great key thing for, again, user experience, right?
We underestimate how fast somebody will leave a website. Right now, being in a quick society, right? Everything you get instantly. You can type it in on Google, you can type it in on ChatGPT. If you go on a website and it takes longer than 5 seconds, it's negatively affecting you on Google, but it's negatively affecting user experience. You're having an end experience that's bad. That's why we started off the conversation with your website is key and it's not that difficult. You just need to do a few small things and it'll enhance your website.
The average website needs to be between like 1 and 4 seconds. 4 seconds is still a little slow. I mean, if you go on your Google page speed, it'll be in the yellow. So getting that in terms of, it all correlates into how does your website look, how easy is it, readability, and how does it convert with your call to action and your user experience. If you've been trying to figure out if you should hire an SEO expert or an agency, go watch this video here.